Yeah, alright?
Far from it, Bubbles. Far from it. Sassy turned out for the jacket. The one thing I'm sure about, his mother gone with him in a hiding. And now I find out about Tiffany and she get selling her human trafficking. It's a must-watch movie.
Boy, Carlton, I can only imagine the pain where you are go through. But me hate to be the bearer of bad news. You have to close that chapter there with you, Simone and CJ.
What do you mean? Why?
Them no longer in the island. And she have no intention of returning or reaching out to you.
How long you know this?
Weeks.
And you think that right?
Honestly, I agree with her. And me help her leave. And I not have no clue which part she gone. But Carlton, for all the way you put Simone through, she need to stay as far as possible from me.
I guess we deserve that.
Here one. I'm gonna help you find Tiffany. Because you need to at least have one of your youth them in your life.
Thanks, Bubbles.
I bet it's a tone in the and dance today. Now we should do it.
Five, what we are do? Give me this. What you do? Wait, you can't lift up them weight of 5, you idiot, man.
Winter, where your friend me so far?
You can't lift up them type of heavy weight the 5. In your condition.
The water bottle. Many for avatar. Cause yeah.
Five, give me the bottle. Give me the water bottle. Give me the bottle now. Give me the bottle. Me know me.
Winter,
Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle.
But if you touch me, you see?
Give me the bottle, no mind, strain your back. 5, give me the bottle. Alright, come.
Buckle can't strain my back.
Come now. Come on, you sit down.
Listen, stop touching me.
Come on, come.
I say stop touch me. What you do? What you really do? I want to stand up. God. Mr. Winston, if you touch me, I don't want to sit down. Want to sit down? I might get a seizure. Let me tell you. Remember saying your first suit? Oh, I forgot. It was a jacket. You take it off.
5. Don't do that, star.
Alright, so sorry. I never need it. I'm gonna have to take you to that mountain. But listen, I don't want you to treat me like me, I want eggshell. I'm a cripple. We just need to talk about how we're moving forward and how we're going to prepare for this baby.
Me ever give any type of reason for doubt my level of responsibility?
Chappy, where you just say to me all ago? Say what you say again and listen to yourself.
Alright, 5. Alright. Hear me say. I get that. But you see, in this case, me feel like say the next level of this thing, yeah, it's just for you to move back in.
No. I'm not move come back in with you. Listen, Chappy, I have my own place. I'm a quiet art.
5. I love you in a 5. You don't realize that? But the real question is, now that we have a child together, you love me, 5?
What you ask me, say? What kind of question that you ask me? I didn't live with you. I get kidnapped because of you. I have to do ransom to get back you. All kind of stuff. You container, me and the shop.
5. Still not answer the question.
My back.
What here?
We just doing shopping.
Come go inside, go lay down. Come, take your time. Walk slow, no man. Let me get the key.
Keep my bag on my phone.
Five. Wait for me, no man. You not tell me if you love me.
I'm letting look a bit now. I'm letting look a bit. I'm gonna answer you, man.
It feels like coming home.
Practice, you need that practice. So you're back now, hurt you again. Five. You not tell me if you love me.
Home.